Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech. And boy, have I got some interesting news for you. On Friday, July 31st, United States President Donald Trump said that he was going to ban TikTok. Many aren't sure if it's a promise he'll follow through with or if it's just an empty threat. But one thing he did mention is he has the power to do so, stating that he can use an executive order. As for the reason, policymakers have said that it's a matter of national security, which is understandable. Edward Snowden warned us that the NSA in America is spying on its own citizens via apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, which is problematic enough. But imagine how bad things can get when a frenemy of the US, China, is also spying on US citizens. So the fear is warranted. And the fear is that China will gather intel on American citizens via TikTok and use this information in ways that are unfavorable to the US, to put it lightly. But let me know in the comments, guys, do you think that China using TikTok to steal American citizens' data is something that the US should be worried about? Let me know in the comment. Microsoft had a solution, however. They were in talks with ByteDance, the company who owns TikTok, to buy the app outright. But Trump said nope, he's just going to ban it entirely. And without missing a beat, in comes Facebook/Instagram. They decided to roll out a TikTok clone that they've been testing in other countries like Brazil since November. It's a new feature that's built into Instagram called Reels. It allows you to record short 15-second videos paired with music from your favorite artist. This isn't the first time Instagram kept itself relevant by stealing an app idea and turning it into a feature. We all know where Instagram stories came from. So Reels is available for Instagram as of today, and I'll show you guys how to get it or how to use it. So we start off by opening Instagram. Once it's opened, at the top left-hand corner, click on your camera icon. And then at the very bottom, you want to scroll to Reels. Once you're in there, click on the audio icon. And then you can look at all the songs that are listed there by all the popular artists. If you want, you could also search for a particular artist and then pick a song by them. Now you can choose where in the song you want your video to start. It even gives you a look at the lyrics of the song so you know exactly where in the song your video is going to start. And once you're satisfied, you can hit done. You can change the speed. You can also choose a special effect. Then once you're ready to record, you just hold and record. Then your song will be playing in the background of the video while it's recording. Then when you're done, you hit next. You can add some text, add a sticker, and then you go ahead and hit next, and you're ready to share. And that's it. That's how you use Reels on Instagram. So there's not really much to it. It's just a feature that's incorporated within Instagram. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you do want to see more videos like this, hit that notification icon. Thank you.